guys, welcome to the video. Welcome back to our travel through Europe series, well, England and France. If you didn't see the last video, we were in Hastings, England, visiting my dad's long lost family that we found on 23andMe. I really did love Hastings. I haven't recorded it in a day. I kind of ended our last video after watching the Euro finals. Yesterday was our travel to London day. It was just taking a train ride and some walking around. But today is our first official full day in London. We are staying in Wimbledon Park, which is where the big tennis tournament goes on. And obviously you guys are gonna come along to do some traditional London sightseeing. We're just gonna do all the touristy things today, all the markets, all the views, all the sights. Let's go. We're staying in Wimbledon, which is a little outside central London, which means that we have to take the tube. There's the tube. Have you been on the tube before?
In London, no.
We made a quick little detour back to our apartment. Apparently it's cheaper if you tap to pay with your credit card instead of buying a ticket. And my contacts was bothering me. We're switching the glasses. I woke up this morning with my dad early and we went to a coffee shop. I bought a lot of stuff off Amazon Prime for my dorm. I spent like 60 bucks, but I got like 6 things. Or wait, no, like 5 things. And yesterday was my class registration and I got basically all my classes I wanted. I'm super happy. First taste of London. We made it to the big city. This is our first big city of the trip. So far so good. I'm liking my first impression.
Pretty impressive.
So many people. Here is Buckingham Palace, Canada gates. My parents are fascinated when anything here says Canada because they're like they're sister countries, right? Or is that what
They were part of the British monarchy.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely very touristy, obviously.
Oh, wow.
Everything's so pretty here. There's a lot of people, but a lot of history, a lot of cool sights. It's just like a whole culture and it's very cool to see. In front of the Buckingham Palace. We don't have a tour guide. My dad is just guiding us around and he only was here when he was 6 years old. Somehow he always knows. You always seem to know where to go even though you've never been here. Like he just like knows the streets and we don't even have cell service for map. So he's just going based on memory from looking at a map earlier. There's Big Ben. Big Ben, Westminster Abbey. We're on a bridge. We're not sure if it's the London Bridge.
No, it's not. It's a Westminster.
Oh, Westminster Bridge. Over the Thames River. Video now.
Look at the meat.
The London Eye. We're in a very touristy area. I'm getting a little hungry. I'm so ready for lunch. Borough Market is crazy. The line for the strawberries is insane. Yeah. What's your impression of Borough Market?
I will enjoy it one time.
That's what I'm getting for lunch. I'm so hungry. I've never seen this many people.
It's good. I think.
Last year in France, I noticed that Starbucks had a better menu, or like more options, and same thing here in London. Like they have so many more food options and really good drinks, and I like it. It's better. If I didn't get anything because I'm home for lunch, but I'm gonna get ice cream obviously later. This is the London Bridge.
I thought that
They rebuilt this at the end of the 60s, and then the other one moved to Arizona.
This is the Tower of London, I think. I'm a little confused. There's the bridge. Here's the Tower of London. Hey guys, it's been a few hours. We got back from London. Long day of walking. We walked for so long, got like 20,000 steps. We just relaxed at home. I had ice cream and fudge because we're on vacation, so why not? But anyways, now it's like 7:30, I think, a little past. So we're gonna go to dinner at this local Italian place across the street that looks delicious and I'm hungry. So yeah, and I've been watching so many like dorm videos and college videos that I'm getting so excited. And I've been making my list and I can't wait. But anyways, let's go eat some dinner. There's Wimbledon in the evening. I really like this little not suburb, but like area that we're staying in. It's super cute. It's pretty safe and it feels like a good vibe. There's also lots of food, a few shops, and some groceries around. And lots of access to public transport. There's where my dad and I went this morning for breakfast. It smells so good. Leo got original Coke. How is it? Does it taste any different?
It's amazing.
Better than America?
But this is an amazing
I got the aubergine parmesan and the side salad. I'm not even joking, they passed out our food within like, what was that, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
How did they do it that
And
fast?
it's fresh. Absolutely devoured. If things couldn't get any better, I wasn't even at dessert, but they have leftover cake, so we all got free cake. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back. It's our second full day in London. As you saw yesterday, we went and had a really nice dinner. I think it was called Franco Mocha. I definitely butchered that, but the service was amazing. We even got free cake. This morning, my dad and I went to a coffee shop down the street that we went to yesterday as well. And I woke up at like 4 something and I saw the sunrise, which was super pretty. And then I ended up falling back asleep and woke up at 7. Been a little bit of an early riser, which I don't mind. It's like 10:30 now. We've been kind of lazy the rest of the morning waiting for my brother to wake up and my mom, and everyone's just getting ready, which is totally fine. We're doing lots of more sightseeing today. The one thing I'm most excited about is Portobello Market because I saw a TikTok about it. Yeah. That's a little update. I thought I would do like a little get ready with me style. My makeup routine is really not that complicated. My face looks really pale in this lighting and it's also just pale in general. Because I've been on vacation for about 3 weeks at this point, I haven't been eating like my normal diet, which is totally fine, but I've just been eating a lot more sugar, so my skin is breaking out. Oh, my makeup is like melting because it's sitting in the sun. This lighting does make me look like a platinum blonde. Hello. That's the makeup routine. I'll put some mascara on. I literally just put on, you know, I'll put some blush on. Oh my god, my blush is melting. Oh. I'm gonna finish this in the mirror. Here's the outfit check. It's giving grandma just a little bit. So I'm wearing this dress from Target, and then this I got from Primark, and then I'm gonna wear my Reebok shoes. I love my Adidas, my brand new ones, but they're not as great for long distance walking because I have not broken them in yet. Anyway, here's my room. It's a little messy. I still need to give you guys a flat apartment tour. We leave tomorrow morning, but we're not going home quite yet. Yay, we're going to Paris. I did go to Paris last year, but I'm super excited to be going back this year, this time with my family, so I can explore it a little differently. Good morning, Leo. How was your sleep? Good. He's been sleeping in later than me. But we're gonna take him back to, the coffee shop that my dad and I have been going to every morning. What'd you get?
Chocolate croissant with a mango smoothie.
Back to the underground tube we go.
Okay. Doug, you would know this. On our way.
We're now transferring to the Piccadilly line to go catch our next train. Good morning from London.
Anybody want anything from Rolex?
The customer service at Zara was so slow and not very good, but I like my clothes that I got. We're in Harrods, which is like a luxury department store.
I don't know. You can go check it out.
We're in Harrods, which is basically like a luxury department store, like Gucci, Prada, all of the above, home decor, clothing. It's cool to see, but a lot out of my price range. If I had this much money, I just don't think I could spend it on this. It seems useless to me. Like maybe one nice item, but this is a little extravagant for me. No hate to rich people. I don't understand this like 50,000 pound couch deal. What's your impression, Leo?
Too much for me.
Yeah. We're going to Kensington Gardens.
South Kensington.
I need food though. I'm getting hungry. The lunch of champions, a chocolate muffin and an energy drink. Leo got a cinnamon bun. Tastes like, I mean it's fine. It's very faint taste.
Isn't that something?
Just now they just passed. The king and the queen just passed us.
That is crazy. You could see.
Just had lunch, the king and queen passed us, so that's pretty cool.
Feel good in 15.
We're heading to Kensington Palace and then we're gonna go to Portobello Market. I think that's Kensington Palace right there. We just looked at the gift shop at Kensington Palace, that's about it. Now we're heading to Portobello Market. I'm super excited to find some hopefully good things there. I'm a little underwhelmed by the market. Like there's a lot of cute stalls on the road, or shops on the road, but I thought there was gonna be like more stalls, like Borough Market, but like items instead of food. But it's still cute. We're not even halfway through it yet. Kind of lied, there's a little more life up there that we're approaching. That's what I was thinking. They're the street vendors that I was thinking about. Thank you. We're done at Portobello Market. There was more than what I had originally said or seen. It felt a little little bit like a tour, not a tourist trap, but there definitely were like a bunch of vendors. Like it would repeat the vendors like every 5 stalls. I don't know, but it was still cute stuff. So I would definitely go check it out if you're here and have time to do so. Next we're going to Piccadilly Circus, which my dad said is similar to Times Square. Lots of sightseeing. I'm sore, but I'm still doing good. We got some gelato, so that's gonna help push me through. Yeah. Nike. This is supposed to be like the Times Square of New York. It's definitely busier than the other parts that we've been to. Getting this set for £10, of course, in Carolina blue. It's crazy they have American teams here. Phoenix, Golden State, Bulls.
Oh, no. If it's tight around the neck, we don't like that.
I'm gonna take it off just because it's a collar.
Oh. Does it feel tight when you're wearing it?
And
I'm taking it off.
Oh, okay.
Hard Rock Cafe.